So we're going to be installing our side marker light, and to start that, we're going to need our pry tool to pop the pins out. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're going to take our 10mm and get the 2 bolts out from our inner fender. With those bolts removed, you can pull the inner fender down and just tuck it under the tire. It's just plastic, so don't worry about it. Then you're going to take the T30, and there's a bolt in the far corner that holds this marker on. We're going to loosen that up, and don't pull it out. Just wait for the marker light to slide forward. All right, so we're gonna leave the bolt in place, pull this out. It's got this little connector on it. Just get your fingernail up underneath of it to pop that off. To mount your new light, all you gotta do, reverse, just thread it through the hole, connect it up to your harness. Last step you'll be doing in this is putting this screw back through the light. All right, now with that all done, we're gonna go ahead and test it before we put everything back together. All right, that looks great. So now let's get everything put back together.